Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be dealing with oranges. Okay, I have here about 5 oranges that I'm going to use, but what in today's video is just what I need from the oranges in today's video is just the peel. I've already washed it, so I'm going to be doing just removing the peel, the skin of the orange. I made an example right here. I don't need the white portion, I only need the yellow portion, just the skin of the peel, which is the peel. So the peel of orange has an antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which makes it great for treating acne. So it can be used to treat acne and oily skin. It also works as a skin lightening agent and can do wonders for marks on the face and pigmentations. Orange peels works as a natural bleach and can help lighten dark blotches and remove them with time. Oil for myself. So I'm going to be combining quite a few different type of oils in this regimen, and that includes oil and some other oil. So right now I'm peeling it. See how much I have removed so far. You really don't need the white portion, you only need those yellow portion. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want you can also see how much I have in here from one. This is just from one. So if I'm going to continue using the small one. So if I want, I can use the bigger one. So subscribe to my channel, share with everybody please, and also click on the notification bell so that when I upload any other videos you can be notified automatically. So now I have the lemon peel inside this little pot, and I put the pot on top of another in the water. So I'm trying to get this grapeseed oil to open for me. I don't know what's going on, why it's not opening. I don't understand. I have used this before, but why is it not opening now? I don't understand why it's not opening, because I'm not only going to use olive oil. Olive oil is very good. Okay, so now I'm going to put some grapeseed oil, just a little bit, to be mixed with it. Okay, this is 100% grapeseed oil. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of my almond oil. I have some almond oil. I have some oil. Just going to throw a little tiny little bits of each into it. There's one oil that is missing, that's rosemary oil, that I can put in later. So I'm just putting a little bit of that, like half a spoon, and same thing with my pure almond oil. They are all very good for your skin. So right now the stove is on. I'm going to lower the stove because I really don't want it to be hot. I'm going to stir it a little bit. So you can practically use any type of oil you want. Those that are good for body. But the ones I'm using right now are olive oil, which is organic olive oil. It's very good. And some other oil. Okay, so now the oil is warming up gradually. I'm just going to allow it to continue to warm up. I really don't want it to boil. I want it to, you know, condense into, I want it to mix with the lemon peel while it's on the stove. And I'm going to do the same with, I'm going to do the same thing with carrots. So I like to a little bit left inside this bowl. This is the okay. So I'm just going to be mixing it a little bit. And at the end of this whole thing, once it's finished, sipping into the oil, once the lemon finishes sipping into the oil, what I would do is that I'll just leave it on for 24 hours, cover it, allow it to actually come out really well, and then sediment really well. I'll allow it to sediment.